How are you all? Are you fine? Okay, children. Children, you know that already we have completed two lessons in the science part. Is it? One is plants and animals, and second one is adaptation in plants. Already we learned. But now I start the lesson from social part. I hope you children already you have divided two parts. One is science and one is social in your notebook. Is it? Yes, I told you many times. Is it children? Yes. Let us start the lesson. Weather and weather and climate. Weather and climate. Weather and climate. See, you know children, it is going to winter. Is it? Winter means it is too cold. But in some days you can observe children, sometimes it is too cool, but sometimes it is too hot, or sometimes it is rainy. Is it? Why children? Why? Because of weather condition. Because of weather condition. You know that. But in some days or today it is too hot or sunny. But tomorrow it will rainy. Maybe. Is it? Because of weather condition. Is it? Because of weather condition. So weather can change quickly or rapidly. It can change quickly or rapidly. You know that. What is the weather? What is the weather? Do you know children? What is the weather? Sometimes you told no children. Today's weather is not good. Is it? Today's weather is not good. Sometimes you told. But this weather is too hot. Sometimes you told this weather is too rainy. Is it? What is the weather? Weather is condition of the atmosphere. Weather is condition of the atmosphere of a place at particular time. Condition of the atmosphere of a place. One particular place or at particular time. Is it? I told you weather can change rapidly or quickly. It can change hour to hour. It can change day to day. Is it? So, weather means condition of the atmosphere. Condition of the atmosphere of a place at particular time. Time is called weather. Weather means condition of the atmosphere. Condition of the atmosphere of a place at particular time. This is called weather. See, condition of the atmosphere. What is the atmosphere? What is the atmosphere? Atmosphere means the blanket of the air surrounding the earth. The blanket of air surrounding surrounding the earth. Earth is called atmosphere. Is called atmosphere. The blanket of the earth. The blanket of the air. See, this is a earth, children. But the blanket of the air surrounding the earth. Air. You see, air. It is called atmosphere. It is called atmosphere. See, the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time. Is it? It is called weather. Weather can change rapidly or quickly. See, sometimes morning it is too cloudy means evening it is too rainy. Is it, children? Is the weather can change rapidly or quickly. Is it? See, you watch in TV or in newspaper. See weather condition or weather forecasting. Is it weather forecasting? You have to watch in TV or in newspaper. Is it? What is the weather forecast, children? What is the weather forecast? It is the prediction of weather condition. It is the prediction of weather condition which will be prevailing in the next 3 or 4 days or next week. This is called weather forecasting. You should watch in newspaper. Sometimes they have given in the newspaper. So weather forecasting. After next week, after the next week, what will happen? What is the weather condition they have given? You are watching on the TV. Is it? They have given weather forecasting. Weather forecasting means it is the prediction of weather condition which will be prevailing in the next 3 or 4 days or next week. For example, children, this is winter. Is it? It is a winter. You want to go to other place. For example, Bangalore. Is it? Or other place. You are going to carry the this one raincoat. Is it cap and all? That is used to the weather forecast. Weather forecast. Is it weather forecast? Using. Is it, children? If you know after what will happen after 3-4 days, after next week, if you know means you can prepare. Is it? You can prepare before. Is it? That is a weather forecasting. Weather forecasting. See, weather of particular place depend upon many things. If we talk about the weather means we have to consider many things. Weather of particular place depend upon many things. First one is temperature. First one is temperature. Second one is humidity. Second one is humidity. Third one is air pressure. Air pressure. And fourth one, rainfall. These things also we have to consider. We have to consider when we talk about the weather condition. Or weather condition of place depending upon these things. One is the atmosphere. Sorry, temperature. condition of particular place depend upon temperature, humidity, air pressure, and fourth one is rainfall. These things we have to consider when we talk about weather condition, or weather condition of particular place depend upon these things. Is it? What is the temperature? What is the temperature? It is extent of hot and coldest, hot and coldest of a place. It is the extent of hot and coldest of the place. It is a temperature. It is a temperature. Temperature it is a extent of hot and coldest place. Coldest place is the temperature. See, sunlight when the sunlight it heats up the land and water bodies. The sunlight when it heats up the land and water bodies, which in turn it heats up the atmosphere. When the sunlight, children, for example, this is a sunlight. See, when the sunlight heats up the water bodies and land and water bodies. See, when the sunlight heats up the land and water bodies, it turns to the heat of the atmosphere. It heats up the atmosphere. Turn to the heats of the atmosphere. When the atmosphere gets the heater, then when the atmosphere gets the heater, automatically that temperature of that place will increase. The temperature of that place will increase. When the atmosphere gets hot, the temperature will be increased. Temperature of the particular place that will be increased. So, the temperature is influenced on the weather condition. The temperature is depends on the weather condition. See, if we talk about weather condition, we have to consider the temperature also. We have to consider temperature also. Okay, children. Thank you. Then I continue in the next class.